So how can you turn off the vibration for maps on the Apple Watch? Let's get started. If you're new on Foxtecc, subscribe and you're not going to miss anything. So first of all, you can open up like the Watch app on the iPhone and go to the Maps app specifically. And you can, for example, if you don't want to get like any vibrations or any notifications, you can switch from the Mirror My iPhone, which just takes the settings from your iPhone and choose it to be custom and click on the notifications off, right? And that's how you turn off like notifications entirely for the Maps app on the watch. You also have some other alerts, like you're gonna disable the driving, walking, cycling, whatever, depending on your preference, but that's up to you. However, if you don't mean just the notifications, but only the vibrations, right? If that is the case, you can see we don't have any like specific vibration settings for it, but we have some haptics settings within the watch app. So you can go to the sounds and haptics right here, and you can choose the haptics to be either default, prominent, or turn them off completely. Naturally, this applies to every other place as well, but it will also turn off the vibrations for the maps on the Apple Watch. So it depends on what you want. I'm just showing you how it works on the Apple Watch. It's just how it is right now. So yeah, you have these options right here. So that is how it works. Subscribe for more explanation and tutorials like this one. Make sure you never miss anything important, and I'll see you later, right? So in case you have any questions, of course, use the comment section below to ask me, or someone else might be able to answer it for you. But thanks a lot for watching. Hit the thumbs up, and I'll see you later in the next videos as well.